Do you struggle with email deliverability for your website or app? Fear not. MailerSend offers fast, reliable email delivery. Our API and SMTP integration are a breeze. Transaction emails are critical. They keep your customers informed after actions like purchases or password resets. Ensure they arrive promptly with our seamless service. Enjoy 3 key benefits. 1. Create stunning email templates with a user-friendly drag and drop builder. 2. Track performance metrics in real time with advanced analytics. 3. Collaborate with your team efficiently, regardless of technical skills. Why choose us? Our platform is designed to handle millions of requests during peak times, ensuring your emails reach their inbox consistently. Ready to boost your email solutions? Try MailerSend today. Send 3,000 transactional emails for free. Click the link to get started.